Well, good morning, good morning, good morning, scrappers, scrapettes, and my little scrapeteers. We're out here early morning. Sun just came up. We had to wait. I had to put some air in old Betty, but she's doing just fine. So, yes, hope everybody's well, and I'll turn this back on as soon as I come to that first pile, or let's say that first item. We'll see you in a bit. All right, we got our first item. Microwave. Let's get us a microwave. And I have some items on Betty already. A couple of things. Not much. So let's get us a cord and continue. All right, we got something else here. Microwave box. Is the old microwave here? No. Box is too empty. But we got a shelf. I guess they also have maybe a refrigerator. We'll have to stand that up. We're gonna fix that in a little bit because it's gonna be in our way. So for right now, we'll keep it that way. Let's roll. Got a bike. Morning. Let's get us the bike. All right. Got a good one here. We'll fix this in a bit. We are in the forbidden mobile home park. Yeah, I have to be quick around here because they're always on the lookout. So I'm sure the subscribers that follow me or the viewers that follow me, they know this place. They know the issues I've had here before. But as long as I come in here and I'm driving easy, not doing anything crazy like they say. There's a lamp right there. Let's get that. Let's at least get the cord. Everything's good. Everything's good. So let's get it. Let's get the cord off the lamp. What else we got in here? Nothing? No, that's it. All right. Yeah, I gotta be swift in this area. All right, let's go. All right, we got ourselves another bike. One or two bikes, I'm not sure. No, one bike. Yeah, we'll take the bike. Always donate them. Let's fix this back here. All right. Oof. Oh, man. Ugh. Oh. Oh, well. What are you going to do? Gloves are meant to be dirty. Let's organize these bikes on here. All right, let's see how we can put them here so they don't take up too much space, but be stable at the same time. All right, there's one. Come on. There we go. There's one. What happened here? This one's lightweight. Gotta be aluminum. I've taken bikes apart before, but that's so much hassle. Not even worth what they give you for the aluminum. There we go. That's both of them. All right, let's tie that down. All right, that's not going anywhere. This we'll put right in there. Along with this. There we go. And we'll just keep that right there. We'll keep that right there for right now. All right, let's continue. All right, we're in the creepy section of Vero. Woo-wee! I always try to find something around here. But I never see anything sneaking around. All right, let's go. Walking her doggy. All right, I think I saw a barbecue here. Small barbecue, but I saw one. Yeah. What else is here? Just this. Let's grab it. Something fell back here. What fell? Nothing? I thought I heard something fall. I guess not. There we go. We got their use out of this one. All right, let's continue. Found by this gentleman here. He said he got something for us, so let's take a look and see what he got. All right, well, the man said he got a motorcycle. Doesn't have a title or anything. It doesn't really matter to me. We'll put it in here and we'll scrap it. Let's see if we can go put it in here. All right, well, there's the gas tank, so it has to be a big bike. So we're gonna put it in this way. Let me get the microwave out and this out, so we can fit it in here.
It's okay as long as up there.
Yeah, up there, and then the back I'll swing it over to the right. Yeah, it should go.
All right.
It should go.
Púchale. Okay. Púchale.
All right. Whoa, it's sliding.
It's sliding.
Yeah.
Okay. In and on. Again.
No.
¿Qué levantarlo? ¿Mejor levantada? Sí. Okay. La cabeza y ya. La cola y el... Venga. Get them up. That'll be all good. Okay.
All right, let's see where we can grab this from.
Okay.
No, don't lift it back there.
Empújala.
All right. There we go. That's one part.
Okay, sube uno de este lado. A jalarla. Those, I got all the rest of the...
Okay. No problem.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're gonna put the front towards the bikes over there, and then I'll swing it over.
Okay.
There we go. There we go. Yeah, this side.
Oh, good. Now we're gonna
swing it over as much as we can. So
okay.
There we go, and then I'll tie it down, and should be good. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Let me see something.
No.
There we go.
Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful.
That way you don't have to.
I don't have to worry about it. I'll just tie it down anyway, but
Oh, trae los screws y el resto.
it's good to go. All
Pon en la
right.
mesita. Yeah, and I don't have time to play with it.
Yeah, I understand. I understand how it is. Sometimes you can and sometimes you can't. All right, let's get this one here.
Oh, yes, sir.
All right. Give me a hand. Yeah, please. Oh, this one doesn't have it. Let's go. Right there. Right there. Right.
You're gonna have to move the microwave. Look at that.
Maybe.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
He's got the rest of that.
Okay. All right. That's fine right here.
All right, my friend. Thanks a lot.
All right. No problem. Thank you. Have a great day. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you. All right. All right. Let's go. All right. We got something else here. There wasn't much on the route. I'm glad I got that. Yeah, a couple of more pieces of metal. There we go. We'll put it right in here. There we are. This cast iron chimney thing I'm gonna keep. It's not that bad. I can keep that. Is this aluminum? Yeah, this is aluminum. Yeah. And this is aluminum too. So we keep this. There we go. All right, let's continue. Let's finish up. All right, we were flagged down here. What's up, boss man?
Hey,
What's going on? Everything good?
yeah, I need to take that blade off. You can have both of them lawnmowers. He got some more stuff for you.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go. There we go.
Woo.
Oh. That's good enough right there. I'll tie it down.
What's your name?
Juan.
Juan. Juan, you won.
There we go.
Juan.
All right. All right, you gotta put the lawnmower on there. Give me a minute.
You got it?
We're all good. Yeah, I just wanted to see where I'm gonna put it.
All right. Come back here. Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna put it up there. There we go. All right. Yeah, yeah. Oh. All right. There you go.
Hardware to get
Whew. All right, let's get the other one in here. Whew. Come on. There we go. All right. Let's get this in here. Oh boy. Well, look at that. We didn't have anything on Betty 10 minutes ago. Let's tie all this down. All right, we are done. And just in the nick of time because it's starting to rain. So yeah, we got a good load. We have a good load. We do. So let's run to the scrapyard. I got no time. I still have a garage, the carport to do. I have no time to take anything apart. So we just gotta let it go like that. Keep the bike for donation. That's it. See you at the scrapyard. All right, here we are before lunchtime. Let's get it in there. All right, let's see what Betty weighs in. Mmm, 44. 4,400, 4,420. All right, let's get Betty unloaded. What's up, boss?
Sweating to death, man.
I see ya. Moving on up, moving on up.
Quick, if you don't mind.
What's that?
I'm gonna go grab a drink real quick.
Go ahead, man, go ahead. I'll start loading this here.
Oh yeah, thank you.
No problem, man. Yeah, this, I was looking at it and it's all rotted at the bottom, so I'm not even gonna keep that. It's no good. So I'm not gonna bother with that. There's no reason to. There we go. Come on. Yeah, I'm not even gonna bother with this either. No. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother with that. Nope. All right, I'm gonna need this guy's help. All right, boss man, I'm gonna need help with this motorcycle here.
Absolutely. Oh shit. Oh. Let me see if I can just grab it with a magnet.
I don't know if you can grab it. If you try, go ahead.
Yeah, let me give it a grab.
Give it a go. See if it goes.
If it don't, then yeah, we.
There we go. It's loose. Let's see if he can get it with the magnet. I doubt it, but looks like it wants to go.
Close out of your wood. On the other side.
Go ahead down.
Yeah, that's not picking. Alright. There's the one.
hope the bikes didn't get messed up. All right, we're gonna do the bike in a minute. Oh, there we go. Ready? Let it go. There we go. Oh, man. Hang these back up right there. No. Connect this here. There we go. That's it. All right, let's go. See what we got on the way out. We have 3540. I think 3540. So about 900 pounds, give or take. Let's see. All right, thank you. All right, let's go. Further. You gotta love it. 44 coming in, 3540 going out, 860 pounds at 5.5. 4730. Wow. Yeah. 4730 it is. All right, well, what are we gonna do? I don't know who sets the prices, but whoever does, they're winning. Anyway, yes, thank you for sticking along. Thank you for everything. This is Treasure Coast Scrapper, and we'll see you on the next episode.